Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot here at the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. For that you will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and then you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit a screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or pretty cool here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very cool if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part or with the arrow, you will send it to your gallery. But the coolest part to have a screenshot is with the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm and swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, and where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you're at the gallery. And yeah, here at the pictures, your screenshots are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots will have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.